Alright, check it out, guys. It's a CBR 600 stashes. It's a CBR 1000 forks. They're inverted forks. They're adjustable and all that shit. It's a CBR 600 forks. They're old school. They suck. A little smaller. We're doing the fork swap. It's getting the big forks, new tires, dual piston calipers, inverted. It's going to be a way better setup on this bike. We're knocking it out. Alright, that's the 1000 forks. They're inverted on there. I've got this whole handle swapped over correctly. I am still working on this one, but I figured I'd go ahead and take the video. It's got the better brake caliper setup, dual calipers, dual rotors, way bigger rotors, way better tire, inverted forks. Gotta swap over this handle still. But yeah, that's done up just right. I should love that. Alright. Alright, I threw the tank and shit back on it just to see what it looks like. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. I don't know if it turns far enough, honestly. I'm gonna have to adjust that. That's all she's got that way. That's all she got that way, but I mean, it's not that bad, honestly. Still got a lot of work to go, but maybe I'll throw up a 4 picture up or something.